Hello everyone. This video is the first video in the series which I want to make to learn for you to learn how to use SellWell point of sale. It is point of sale for iPhone and iPad. So let's start. In the first video I will show the basics you should know to use it successfully. So first what should you do is to configure it properly. So press more and control panel, and here you have a number of options to configure. First let's start from items to sell. So, to create new items, you should press plus and enter all the data about the item you want to sell. So, let's start from the photo, press photo, then you can choose photo from the library or take photo. Let's choose photo. Let's assume we sell some food. Okay, let's start from the hot dog. So choose the hot dog and enter item description. Its description and code. Code is quite important things. It allows you to look up the item fast. Set up the price. Let's say it cost $2.50, and it has tax, 20% tax. Another item we will add, it is, again choose photo, it is Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola with the code 2 and price $1.50. It has tax 20%. So we just set the minimum data you should set up. Okay, and let's introduce third one item. I have it with me. Then I will take a photo of this. The application asks for access to the camera. I allow it, and let's make photo of the chocolate, chili chocolate. So we will use this photo for the item. Let's say it has code 3 and it is choco chili. For example, you can use the barcode to scan instead of the code, so you should enter it manually or scan it from the item. So it's scanned, and let's say price is 2 and tax is 20%. So we can allow the refund. We can allow the refund for Coca-Cola, but not refund for hot dog. It is not refundable item, let's say. So we have 3 items to sell. Then let's introduce, for example, method of payment. We have cash method of payment installed automatically. Let's add another one, for example, credit card. So it's up to you the number of methods of payment to use. Feel free to configure it flexible. Okay, we can introduce a discount. Let's say it will be happy hour discount. happy hour discount with 5%. Okay, it's enough for the beginning. So now we have 3 items, 2 mobs, one discount. So let's start sales. To start it, press new shift, confirm it, and press button sale. So hit the sale menu. In sale menu, what you can do is add items and pay them. So let's start from the adding items. You can select item from the list. Press items. You can see items of the list here with information. So you can choose any of them. For example, let's sell the hot dog. So it's now in the ticket. The same way you can use to add number of items. For example, you would like to add 5 hot dogs to ticket or 5 cola. If you remember, we had used code 2 for cola. Then we should use this code to quick lookup. So you can press 2 item code and press item button. If you want to add one more, you can do the same again. Item code and item button. So now it's 2. If you want to add a number of items at the same time, you can do so using multiple buttons. For example, you want to add 3 colas to the ticket. Then press 3 multiple and cola code. It's 2. And then press item. So 5 cola now is in the ticket because we have added 3 cola. So then third way to add the item is by barcode. If you remember, we have scanned the barcode for chocolate, then you can scan it into the ticket. Scan. Just the code recognizes it, the item is added. So now you have 3 items in the ticket with total 12. To perform sale, you can choose method of payment to pay. The simplest way just to press cash if you want to pay with cash, and the whole amount will be paid with the cash. So we have paid this ticket and now the ticket is closed. So another way to pay items could be to use number of method of payment. Let's perform sales again with items. Item 1, it is hot dog. Item 2, it is cola, and item 3, it is chocolate. I will choose it from the items list. Select choco. Information, you can see the information about this. Press plus to edit. So now you have 3 items, and let's say you want to pay this sales ticket with cash and card. So you should enter amount you want to pay with one of MOP. If you want to start with card, go to menu, more MOPs, method of payments, and choose credit card. So 5 euro paid with card. You should finalize it with other payment, for example cash. Just press cash for that. So now we have the ticket paid by both credit card and cash. So we have performed 2 sales. Let's do another one with the discount. So let's say we would like to sell 5 chocolates. 5 multiple, and code of chocolates is 3. Then press item. So we have added 5 chocos to the ticket, and we want to provide the discount. Press menu, discount, and select the discount we have. Happy hour, but now it is zeros. Why it is zeros? I will explain it immediately. So it is because not for all items you can apply discounts. So go back to items and go to Chile and switch this discount allowed option on. Save. Now you can apply discount for this item, but not discount for Coca-Cola. Because if you remember, we did not set discount allowed for Coca-Cola. Yeah? Then go to sales again and add cola and chocolate into the ticket and then apply the discount. Again, happy hour discount. For this ticket we have discount applied only for chocolate, not for cola, because for cola discount is not applied. So now let's pay this ticket with credit card. Menu, more mops, credit card. That's all. We have finalized this sale. Now what you can do is to check reports. Reports are created per day and per shift, and they are not finalized yet. It is why we have they begin daytime but not the end daytime. It's still open. In this day we have information about sales amount, sales ticket. You can check them one by one and check its items and payments. You can see method of payments received from the sales. We have received 2 methods of payment with amount as shown. So a number of helpful stuff you can check in the report. So it's quite enough for the beginning. Try to use a point of sale on your devices. So we will continue soon with information on how to use stock control on the device. For this, I will prepare the second video. Bye.